And we're back. Just came to my dad's house and I'm about to clean the surface to try and put on my my banner. So see how this goes. Alright. Just pulled it out. I'm about to start just basically like flattening it out so it can stick well to the clear film so I can apply it easily. So I'll be right back. So I got it all plastered. Now I just have to look for the middle. Basically got it laid on there. Hopefully it turns out good. It may be off by just a little bit. Let me see. I'm just measuring it and stuff, making sure it's as close as possible to where I want it. It didn't lay out as best as it would have. I'll tell you one thing, I'm not gonna go to a shop like that again and get stickers. I'm not liking the way this one came out, but it's on there. It's got a little bit of bubbling on it. But you can see it's subtle. I'm gonna be putting my banner on today. I don't have the correct equipment, so I'm just gonna try to work with what I have. Here's the the banner I put on. That's how wide it is. It's like 5 to 6 inches. And then here it is with it on the car. It looks a lot thinner when you look at it this way because of the way the windshield is so slanted. So it looks a lot smaller. This is what it looks like inside the car. There's that visibility, and then this whole part of it is the banner. It helps a lot with the sun. That way I don't have to use this. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.